All right, thank you very much for having us here, and without further ado, let's get started. Perfect. So, my name is Nafa Adu. I've been sent here to talk your ear off as the Chief Executive Orator for New Terra Labs. You guys are all here. You all understand some of the problems that we're facing. Everything from water shortages, over-fertilization, runoffs. At the end of the day, unsustainable practices. Even then, we've identified some solutions: vertical farming, controlled environment, growing. They still face problems in trying to solve the food security issue, or food scarcity issue, sorry. That includes labor shortages, higher costs of operation, and a lack of community in regards to getting engagement and building these into a mainstream activity. New Terra Labs, though, is here to really focus on reducing the costs and resource usage for the producers and for the operators while optimizing their crop growth and quality. Significantly, we have three main streams to our product. We have a distributed control system, allowing for easy integration into most markets. It allows for up to 2.4 kilometer sensor range. We have an analytics platform that presents actionable outcomes for farmers through alerts, through self-serving actuation. And what ties this all together is our camera vision system, composed of a hyperspectral solution that allows for near infrared as well as visual imagery. Combined, farmers, operators, those in the space would in turn be able to automate from their phone what's going on, be alerted, and with the leverage of machine learning, feed that back into their systems so they have the most minimal impact and reducing the number of labor, or much labor that they need to have. At the end of the day, what we're here for is peace of mind. Through being easily integrated, being hardware agnostic, being infrastructure agnostic, being able to retrofit previous builds, as well as integrate into pre-existing control systems, we're able to create a complete feedback for these users and these consumers in the market. As a result, our systems are able to allow for 30% earlier pest detection, plant stressors, nutrient levels, and at minimum, decrease operating costs by 15%, putting money back into the operators' pockets. As a timeline, we've got our MVP developed. We have a first and second letters of intent signed with vertical farm infrastructure implementers to use us as a technology partner. Our camera vision system came about through research and product discovery that we did with customers in the field, and it was a solution that we fast-tracked through our prototype development phase. Our expectation is that coming into 22, our prototype and MVP for the camera vision system will be implemented, which in turn correlates to our first pilot demonstration in Edmonton with a small farm producer. Overall, going into the new year, one of our targets is to implement a large-scale product demonstration of the technology as a whole for at least a facility of 10,000 square feet or more. And come into April, really start looking at the fundraising to facilitate the growth of the company and lead into acceleration. Today, being here, we're really pleasant to have this experience and talk with a multitude of different companies that have experience, traction. For us, as mentioned, we have the Botanical Pantry, which is our first pilot demonstration. We're engaging in a consulting engagement with Northern Fresh Farms to refit their lettuce growing operations, 18,000 square foot facility with a sensor package and some machine learning. And finally, we have 3 letters of intent from 2 Canadian firms as well as a US firm to be their technology partner at the end. Our ask for everyone here today is if you can provide added benefit, knowledge, test us, speak out, reach out, let us know what we're doing right, and even more importantly, what we're doing wrong. The advisory is super critical. Furthermore, we're looking to start raising a 1.2 million pre-seed round in the new year. If you're interested in that, please let us know. If we're too early for you though, still connect with us, join our newsletter, and allow us to be able to reach out to you or stay in touch for when we are ready for your investments. And finally, please use your networks, have them. If you can see anybody that will be interested in using our technology, get us in touch. We're looking to implement paid pilot demonstrations as well as full product demonstrations, hopefully with support of Alberta Innovates and the other resource partners. Thank you everyone here. Thank you for all the partners, and thank you Thrive for giving us this opportunity to speak to you today.